I'm going to be installing some subframe guards on this CR80. Of course, we'll want to clean the surface first using 99% isopropyl alcohol. Just give it a good wipe down. Make sure you go around the back side of the subframe bar as well. And then inside of here, I'm going to try to get this guard up to here, kind of where the majority of the wear is. And these strips are cut to length, so measure this up right to about there. Looks about right. And if you want to wrap all the way up, you could loosen up the air box and go kind of behind the air box as well. That would actually protect the air box from wearing on the paint on the subframe. I'm actually going to rip a little bit of the backing off here so I'm not touching the adhesive. And on this one, I'm going to have to tuck the top in right here first before I do anything else. It's going to cover up all the wear, add some grip to the bike, and help protect that frame in the future. Then we're going to add some heat to it. This just helps set that adhesive in place. And that's pretty much it.